Hey guys, today I've got a quick review of the Biliwal magnetic wireless lavalier mic. That's what you're listening to right now. I've got the receiver plugged into my phone. Honestly though, this thing is pretty sweet. So you can see that the two receivers magnetic stick onto the side of the device here. I'm not going to pull that one off so it doesn't start recording, but it does come with two. It also comes with two different receivers. So one that is Lightning and one that is USB-C. That's what's plugged into my phone right now. And I think they sound pretty good, honestly. So a very, very budget wireless lavalier microphone on Amazon. They're small, so you can either use a clip or you can use a magnet to put them like through your shirt. But the highlight here is that they're just so small. Simple little pack, USB-C charger right here. So you charge the main station and it charges all of them when they're on there. You can see the red right there means it's charging that one right there. So works pretty good. Definitely check it out. I'll have links down below, and my other reviews will be up here. Peace.